Today's October 11th, 2022. I'm on my way to work, but got some things I gotta do this afternoon, so I'm gonna try to get a little fishing time this morning. Work the same little hole. I see some activity already out there. Casting upstream. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. He's on. Try to wear him down. He's not very big, but he's strong. He surprised me. There he is. He's chubby, he's small, kind of odd. He's a butterball. Look at him. Wow. Look at the girth on this guy. He is definitely feeding. He's fattening up. Look at that. Look at the ball underneath him. Oh my God, talking about a football. Can I get this guy released? There he goes. Ah, jeez, he landed sideways, my friend. There he goes. I'm gonna keep fishing. Upstream. Oh, there we go. Got into another one. Oh, wow, it's paid off this morning. Well, he seems like a little bit bigger one. I can't tell. Don't want to break him up. I only got 4-pound line. Try to get him out of that hole. He's hanging. Oh God, he got off. Oh my God. We'll keep trying. Try to spot up here. One or two out of here yesterday. Cast against that wall, if you can see over there. Perfect cast. So I threw there real slow. There we go. Oh yeah. There it is. A very big one, but another smallie. Not a bad morning. I'm gonna release him down here because I don't want him to get trapped in there. Release on him. There he goes. Continue fishing the spot up around over there. Right, it's perfect. He probably spooked everything that was there. And right through the other bed. Casting upstream, bring it down. Oh, there we go. Wow, perfect. Oh, yeah. This ain't very big, but he was out there in the current. Number 3 for this morning. What? There it is. Not the biggest one of the morning, but not a bad fish. Get back in. going. Oh wow, I actually saw that one. That was something else. I saw it float and I just kind of floated just a little differently through there, and that's all it took. He's not a bad smallie. Oh, he got hit hard. He's got something going on. He's really injured bad. Let me show you what he's got going on over here. He's got a big injury on his back. Let's get this poor guy in the water. See that? He's back. Better one. Number 5 for this morning. What an incredible morning. Another river smallie. There he is. Nice looking specimen. Send him back in the water. I'll release him up here. There he goes. Number 6. Number 6. What a morning. Here on the feed this morning. I have to wash my hands. Oh jeez. And dropped. A bunch of slime on your hands. Number 6. I got 6 already. Let's see, some of these fall colors are starting to come in. I'll try that one little spot up at the front. I switched over, I got snagged. We got the Walmart's inline spinner 8 ounce. I'm gonna run it through there. I just lost a bigger fish just now. Maybe looks like they're feeding. I'm just gonna run this through there a few times. You don't see any footage, I didn't catch anything.